guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Dimma here. So today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look that I have on right now. It's a very, I wanted to say it's a very super easy look. It's a super easy look actually. It's not difficult at all. I'm going to apologize also for my energy in this video because I know that it's not, I don't know how it's coming across on camera, but I know I just feel tired. So guys, please forgive me, okay? This is my first video since I came back from the hospital. All the other videos that I've uploaded so far, I filmed before I fell ill. So I'm fine now, but guys, like, I don't have that much energy in my body. This video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I'm just going to do my makeup. I will not be talking. I'll show you guys how I created this look. It's super easy. I've not worn a dark lip in a very long time, so I decided to play around with a dark lip. So I'm going out to have lunch with my friend Eki. So this is what I am wearing for this lunch. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching.